slept, sleep. Max rested his head on the soft, green grass. Everything was peaceful. While he was sleeping, a yellow butterfly
A butterfly was flying around the forest. Look at those black storm clouds. They're coming this way. We don't need to hurry, so I think it's better if we wait underneath these trees. Look.
begin.
There was a big pile of pile. There was a big pile of leaves on the path in front. Big pile.
Played.
Let's make some art with that pile of pile.
Play. Begin. Ran.